You are in for a treat today. Check out the windows. I can't wait for you to see how he did this. Stay tuned. He's gonna show you. He's gonna tell you how he did this. I want to tell you about the windows themselves. These are all frameless windows. These have the ability to crank on the bottom of them, and that's actually how these all open. They're all the same. There is different kinds of windows that you can get for your RV conversion. These we felt like gave the most light, and I also thought they looked the best. You can have screens in them. They have all of those same features that you would have like in a regular house. You can open them, get a little bit of air. You can also put a screen on them so you don't get bugs and stuff like that in. All important things when you're camping. So that's why we chose these windows. Aesthetics as well as function. And then we designed where we thought would be the best place to put them according to how the inside of the trailer was laid out. So we'll let you take a look and see what you think.
So that's how we marked all these, and I made that template to match the windows. The big window that you see there, we just held the frame up for it to mark it. There's windows on the other side of the trailer that we did the same thing to. So now I'm gonna start cutting these out and you'll be able to watch that.
You can see him starting to cut along here. Yes, he is using Zippy again. His favorite tool. He goes through and he makes that mark like he does on almost everything that he uses Zippy on. He makes like a trace outline of it. And then he goes back and he starts to take them all out. He had to take all the screws out of that side of the siding right there. And he goes back in. He's cleaning up the edges of all of that. And now he's moved to the other side. Doing the very similar process that he did on the other side. You can see him doing the outline there. You can also see the window in the bathroom in the background there that he's already completed. You see Uncle Harvey's helping him take those out. Comes along, pulls all of this skin off, takes his tape off, cleans up the edges, takes the center brace out for that big window. And now you can see it from the inside. Once again, he's using Zippy. Comes around. Uncle Harvey is actually helping to make not such a big mess, which I appreciate. But you can see them cutting those out. They've already drawn them on there. Just takes time. But these are all really precise things that need to be done. If those windows aren't cut right, that's a big problem. So I want to make sure that he is taking his time and handling that in the manner that allows him to have the least amount of issues in the long run. They're cleaning them out, and as you watch, the new windows are starting to go in. Uncle Harvey is holding them on the outside, so we thank you, Uncle Harvey.
Okay, cleanup time. Uncle Harvey's on the job. Tremendous help putting these windows in. So here's what they look like after we got them in. Go around the front here to the other side. Yep. We have kitchen windows and another egress window. So, just like that. Take a look at the inside here. Get screens out of them right now. Everything, all of these windows open. So that's going to be let some nice fresh air in when you need to. Or if it's too hot for that, mini split for air conditioning. So these two windows here, there'll be a flip up countertop right underneath that window. That's why it's there. And the sink will be here. So voila. These particular big windows are the egress windows. So in the case of emergency, they will pop right out. So, yeah. Good day. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit the bell. You get to see the next video right when it comes out. Okay guys, so yesterday was a good day. Uncle Harvey helped me. Thank you, Uncle Harvey. We got all the windows cut in that we have. So you'll see the big windows are the egress like we talked about. And they are complete. Got screens in. They were the correct depth for the wall. These small windows, we had the same thing with ours. They're designed for the very thin RV type wall. So they're not as thick. So there is a little space in here after we get them put in. There was in ours as well. And we will have a nice rubber trim that covers that gap on all of these. So, but they're all cut in, they're all sealed. They look really good, and we had the lights turned off in here, and plenty of light. Lots of window light, and we love it. And they all open, so that's the good thing about it. So that was a good day yesterday, getting all those put in.
We wanted to give you a little before and after as we start to conclude this project, so you can see where this has come from. Plain walls, not even painted. But you can see how everything has changed on that wall. We have windows, we have cabinets, we have TVs. It's all taking shape. Stay tuned.